What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Well Reviews and Healthy While Free. Today I'm reviewing the Jolie Shower Head Filter. Now this filter claims to remove chlorine, fluoride, and other toxic chemical things within the water. Now, I've tried different shower filters in my life. I've tried multiple brands, and I will say, when I first got this, I was super excited. I love the design. It looks great. It comes in like 3 different colors, and you know, there's all this great feedback. And when I first got it, I will say, for the first week or two, I was like, this is incredible. It works incredibly well, because I noticed immediately that the water was softer on my skin. Like, there was not as much chlorine, and chlorine is really that thing that hardens the water more than anything. But then after about 1 to 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks tops, I noticed that the water wasn't really soft anymore, and it seemed like there was just chlorine back in the water again. And I've learned a lot about water filtration. Actually, one of my mentors, he actually creates water filters, and I'm gonna teach you a lot in this video to help you understand why the Jolie shower filter is not worth $1 of your money. So there's 2 very important factors when assessing the quality of a shower filter. Number 1, the size of the filter, and number 2, the actual material that's used within that filter. So let's break open the Jolie water filter and show you how big this filter is. So when you take it apart, this is the filter that you're paying $134 for. That little filter is what removes these things out of the water, but it's barely anything. I mean, it's incredibly small. So $134 for that. If this were in a water pitcher, it would be like 30, 40 bucks. So that's the first red flag for me, because when I first got this, by the way, it's just, you know, back to the shower head there. When I first got this, I was under the impression that this whole thing was the filter right here, this whole thing. But when you actually take it apart, you have to understand there's a gap in between there. There's all this plastic housing. Look at how much plastic there is. So it's only maybe, you know, 2/3 of what's actually in there. And then it only goes to here. It doesn't even go to the end because it goes to there. So, you know, with that, you have quite a small filter. And that's the first problem with this product. It's a very small filter. And as you can see, it's the official Jolie filter. I don't know if you could see that well, but it's imprinted in there. So that's the first problem. The second problem is the actual filtration material. So I'm gonna read to you the filtration material to help you understand what I use now and why I don't recommend a Jolie shower filter. So number 1, it's mainly KDF55, which is a copper zinc alloy that removes chlorine and heavy metals. So that is the intention of the Jolie shower filter, is to remove chlorine and heavy metals. However, the filter is so small that, let's say the filter was double or triple this size, and it was like, let's say it was this whole thing too, well, then you're gonna remove more, because the water has to go through more of that filtration material in order to get through. So you are removing some chlorine and heavy metals. However, you're not removing a lot, because the water doesn't go through that big of a filter. So that's the first thing. And then additionally, there's calcium sulfite. That's actually what is utilized for the chlorine removal. So it's basically KDF55 and calcium sulfite. That's the extent of what this filter is. That's all that it is. By the way, KDF55, you can actually buy it super cheap, but you know, it doesn't come with a filter, obviously. But it's very cheap material. I mean, this is probably maybe 3 pounds of that or something, 2-3 pounds. And then that calcium sulfite. So it's a very small filter, and it's only using 2 different mechanisms to filter essentially chlorine and heavy metals from your water. So it doesn't filter volatile organic compounds, it doesn't filter fluoride, it doesn't filter odors, it doesn't soften the water, it doesn't do anything else. And it's just this little filter. So what I found out was, that's it. It's KDF55 and calcium sulfite. So that's the extent of the Jolie shower filter. Now, what you'll see behind me here, this on the wall here, this is an actual filter that is quite literally probably more than double the size of the Jolie. In fact, let's just do this to see and look close how big the difference is. So let's take a look at this and see close up. So this is this is just insane. Do you see this? This is a shower filter, okay? And I'm gonna explain this to you in a minute. This is a shower filter that is probably double, and this whole thing is a shower filter. By the way, you can't detach this. Like, this whole thing is a shower filter. You buy this and you throw it out. So there's no plastic housing, so that's the difference. Look at the size difference there, okay? Quite literally double the size, but there's more. That shower filter, which doesn't come with the shower head like the Jolie does, but shower heads are cheap, so who really cares, right? You're gonna need, obviously, a shower head, no big deal, but that shower head back there behind me, right there, has KDF 55 and KDF 85, which are two different type of metallic filtration materials. So it already has double the Jolie filter. And then it also has, it doesn't have calcium sulfite. So that is, I guess, one downside. But I think with the calcium sulfite, it seems to be short-lived, because with my experience with the Jolie, the chlorine removal, I kid you not, it was like 2 weeks in and I was like, I don't even, and my mom has a Jolie too. The same thing. The calcium sulfite only seems to remove chlorine for a very short period of time. I mean, you can only imagine this little filter and gallons of water, hot water going through it. It's not gonna last that long. So that one doesn't have calcium sulfite, but it has activated coconut carbon, which is another way to filter chlorine. So it still filters chlorine, has KDF 55, KDF 85. It also has a zeolite clay, which helps to remove pesticides and heavy metals and traces of pharmaceutical drugs. And it also has, what else? Crystal quartz to soften the water, helps remove heavy metals, softens the water. Oh, and then this is the other thing. The filter on the Jolie is $134. This little filter, and it only lasts 3 months. So you're paying about 40 bucks a month, over $40 a month for something, in my opinion, this only lasts for like 2 weeks tops, in my personal opinion. And I think my mom would agree with that. We didn't notice any chlorine softening after like 2 weeks. And then the installation is slightly different. I mean, this is a whole shower. With this one back here, which I'll get to, you got to put a shower head on. So it is a little bit different in that regard. But the core focus of the Jolie is really chlorine and heavy metals, okay? With this one behind me is called Omica Organics, so I'll link it up below. The Omica Organics removes chlorine, heavy metals, VOCs or volatile organic compounds. It also removes traces of pesticides and pharmaceutical drugs, and the shungite and crystal quartz help to soften the water. Plus the activated carbon and zeolite are different. They're known as binders. Binders attach to any toxic chemical or contaminant. So this little filter, like, it's more the design that they're selling, and this is really unfortunate because this company, like, they're everywhere now. But all you're paying for is $134 for this cheap little filter. It's like a Brita filter for shower filters. Like, would you drink Brita shower water? Or would you drink Brita pitcher water? I don't. So if you don't drink Brita pitcher water, unfortunately Jolie is like the Brita pitcher of shower filters. But that one behind me, which you then just attach to your own shower head, it has, like I showed you in this video, it's double the size. It has way more filtration material. And I'll put on the screen right here, the water actually goes through a copper rod, and this is valuable because copper electrically charges water, and it spiralizes it. So it then structures it as well. And then the filtration material, it goes through all this filtration material, and then it goes through the copper rod as it spins it, the water, which then structures it. So in terms of water cleanliness and water purity, the Jolie shower filter is honestly a complete ripoff. The design looks cool, but you're paying for a bunch of plastic, and you're paying for something that's gonna last you 2-3 weeks to remove chlorine tops. Oh, here's the other thing. The Omica shower filter, it quite literally lasts 6 to 8 months or 10,000 gallons, whereas this lasts 3 months. So if you don't want to replace your filters all the time and you want something that lasts longer, that's a bigger filter that more water goes through and actually works, the Omica shower filter is for you. So I would check that one out. I've honestly used shower filters for 15, 16 years now, long before these were popular. A lot of the big health and wellness names that I've gotten to know over the years, they've used these as well. And I can tell you without a shadow of a doubt that the Omica Organics Shower Filter is the absolute best. One other thing you should know for shower filters, the hotter the water you run through it, this is what I've learned from my mentor, who's actually the founder of this company, the hotter the water that you run through it, the faster that filter runs out. So I know we all like hot showers, But if you can do a warm shower or even cold showers every once in a while, that water will be cleaner because all filters work better under cooler water conditions. So with that being said, I will link up the Omica Organics Shower Filter below, and also the discount code HEALTHYWILDFREE will give you 10% off your order. I promise you, it's a bigger filter, it has more different types of filtration material within that filter, and you're gonna get cleaner water for you and your family at quite literally like half the price, or maybe even less, because it lasts 6 to 8 months as opposed to 3 months per filter. So check out Omica Organics. They also have really great under the sink water filtration reverse osmosis systems. Oh, and one more thing. They also have amazing shampoo and conditioner. My conditioner bottle's all messed up, but the shampoo and conditioner, it's like turmeric, ginger, soap nut, pineapple juice, lime, amla. Like, it's completely natural. There's no sulfates. Their hair care is out of this world. That helps to balance the pH of your scalp, balance the bacteria of your scalp, and so much more. So grab their hair care while you're on their website too, because it is honestly the best you can possibly get. Omica Organics is such a high quality brand. They don't deserve enough attention. And in terms of like the quality of the products and things that they have on their website, literally top notch at middle tier prices. So check out the Omica shower filter below. And if you want to get discounts on more than 20 different health and wellness brands, I think actually it's more than 30 different health and wellness brands now, visit healthywildfree.com/shop. And that link will give you discount codes, free shipping on superfoods, supplements, red lights, hydrogen water bottles, barefoot minimalist shoes, and so much more. So check out that link in the description. Subscribe for future health and wellness reviews, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.